Located in an exclusive neighborhood of North San Diego County, known as the Rancho Santa Fe Covenant, this extraordinary property is truly one of a kind. The Scripps Ranch, custom designed for this iconic family, is set on over 12 acres of award-winning landscape grounds. There are 2 gated entrances. One services the equestrian facilities, and the other is for the long, private driveway that leads to the modern craftsman-style residence. This timeless estate features 7 bedrooms, including maid's quarters, 14 baths, and 12,417 square feet of immaculate living spaces. The unique U-shaped floor plan allows for an ideal separate of family, guest, and staff wings, while still maintaining an intimate, welcoming environment. Step into the grand foyer with soaring vaulted wood ceilings, locally handcrafted custom beams, and transom windows infusing natural light from every direction. In the spacious living room, the superior workmanship and quality materials are evident, featuring stone floors with wood inlays, a full-service bar, and wraparound balconies with sweeping views of the property. Just off the gourmet kitchen and adjoining family room, the California room opens to a lush center courtyard, the ultimate in indoor-outdoor living, to reveal al fresco dining and entertaining patios. With koi pond, built-in barbecue, outdoor seating area, and fire pit. The formal dining room, with seating for 12, connects to the main living areas, making it perfect for larger social gatherings. Adjacent to the dining room, the library houses over 1,000 volumes and is strategically set next to the executive office. Tucked around the corner, the guest suite offers extravagant comfort with a dual-sided fireplace, vintage claw tub, and separate balcony. With its own private wing, the master suite is a secluded retreat of its own, offering a spa-inspired bath with dual amenities, exercise room, beautiful views, and a second office, while still being in close proximity to the kids' family room and 3 additional bedrooms and baths. Downstairs is an oversized game room, complete with an 80-inch TV, pool table, full entertaining bar, and 500-bottle wine cellar. Floor-to-ceiling glass doors throughout the home disappear into the walls to reveal an entertaining patio. The resort-like backyard features an infinity-edge pool and spa with beach entry, diving rocks, and a 30-foot gushing water slide. Relax in this tropical setting near the covered cabana with kitchen, or spend the evenings gathered around the stone fireplace listening to the soothing waterfall. With tennis and basketball court, observation deck, sand volleyball court, kids playground, and a pool house with sauna. This home is fully equipped for fun and enjoyment of the year-round temperate climate. Truly a world-class equestrian estate. The property comes complete with a stunning barn with 6 in and out stalls, 3 grassy pastures, riding ring, and direct access to over 50 miles of groomed trails. An authentic Old West-style saloon leads out to the covered barbecue patio, overlooking the volleyball court. 3 garages provide ample space for housing up to 12 cars or maintenance equipment, while the property has parking for up to 40 cars. Enhanced with cutting-edge technology, some of the amenities include Crestron home automation, extensive property-wide security cameras, multi-zone sound system, Lutron lighting with one-touch options, and radiant heated floors. This expansive property embodies the luxurious Southern California lifestyle and is the perfect place to call home.